Hi everyone, this is Miss PC. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I'm just done with my shift right now. I got ready and here I am to shoot. What's the time? It's 5:49 a.m. So how am I supposed to shoot with the schedule, you guys? I had my eyes on the screen for 9 to 10 hours. I feel so tired. Everyone is like, post on YouTube. So here I am. It's not like I don't like it or something. I love making videos on YouTube, but it's just that it's not going with my schedule. I'm not being able to balance it. I've become very lazy, that's all. So coming to the point, मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा out of topic चली जाती हूँ. I'm sorry, but today we are going to have a Meesho haul video. This one is actually going to be a jewelry haul, like the dainty and the aesthetic jewelry kind of. I have very selective pieces today, like only those jewelries which were actually needed. Let me show you. This time I was not like ये भी ले लो वो भी ले लो ये भी खरीद लो. Like trust me, my screen time was over 10 hour. 10 hour से भी ज़्यादा हो गया था इस चक्कर में, ढूंढने के चक्कर में. Because when I sit and अगर मैं ढूंढने लगती हूँ मीशो पे तो no one can stop me. I've literally got all the prettiest jewelries I could find on Meesho this time, and I have not tried any of them till now, and I'm so excited to try it on and show it to you guys. So let's start the video. This is the first piece of this haul. This is the Peach Love Heart pendant necklace for 168 rupees. This one is so beautiful. It's double layered and the silver detailings on this is so pretty. I want to try it on. God, I am not being able to do anything with my nails. कैसे पहनूं ये मैं? Please, please, please. Okay, this is what it is. Okay, so first I'll just tie my hair up because I don't know what to do with this hair anymore. बार बार ठीक करना पड़ रहा है. मुझे बहुत परेशानी हो रहा है शूट करने में. So I'll just tie it up. Okay, this is the hairstyle I always do nowadays because I can't keep my hair open. About this necklace, it has a double chain and a cute pink heart and I love it so much. I couldn't wait to try it on. I'm not a necklace pendant kind of girl. Like मेरे पे ज़्यादा सूट नहीं करता ये सब. But आप लोग भी rarely मुझे देखे होंगे necklace and all में. I don't wear chain kind of stuff because I feel like it doesn't suit me that much. And look at this. Oh my god. पीछे morning हो गया है. I am obsessed. It's giving that, you know, princess kind of vibe, that soft girl look. ये red t-shirt पे it's not going, but if you wear a pink outfit or a white kind of, it's gonna look good. And I think I'm gonna wear it very often now. But one thing I would say that this is very messy. ये जो chain है ना, it has stone on it, but it just goes here and this one goes there. This is the whole point of this pendant. I think it has to look a little bit messy and twisted kind of. Apart from that, it's very pretty. Next, we have these golden finger ring for 138 rupees. It's a pack of 8. Let me show you. These are the pieces and I think it's a very good deal. You're getting 8 of them. I love wearing many finger rings and I wanted this kind of golden ring since a very long time. Okay, I need to figure out the sizes first कि किस finger में कौन सा जाएगा. Wait. Okay, this is getting confusing, but okay, so this is what it looks like. Pretty now. There were many designs available, but I picked this one because I think this looks pretty simple and good. There were like thick kind of rings as well, but I think my hand is much small for that, so I think this looks good. ये बहुत काम आने वाला है. The quality is also fine. Like I won't say too good, but I think इसको regular use नहीं कर सकते हो. It's like अभी ही I can see कि scratch होने से थोड़ा सा color जा चुका है. I think occasionally ही use करना is better. Apart from that, it looks nice according to the price. You can see how pretty it looks. Now we have this metal earbone clip for 172 rupees. Oh my god, the quality of this one is so good. I'm not sure if I'll be able to put this but let's try. Okay, so I think 10 minute हो गया है. I'm trying to put it and I'm not being able to. मेरे कान लाल हो चुके हैं, गर्म भी हो गया है. It's burning a lot. इस कान में तो जैसे तैसे I have put, you can see ये कान भी रेड हो गया पूरा, बट ये कान में I'm not being able to. मैं ज़बरदस्ती करूँगी और दर्द होगा. ओके सो जैसे तैसे मैंने पहना. यू कैन सी मिरर में देख के मुश्किल से मॉइस्चराइज़र लगा के. आई थिंक माई ईयर इज़ लाइक लिटिल बिट चबी, थोड़ा सा थिक, दैट्स वाई बहुत मुश्किल हुआ है, बट इट्स लुकिंग वेरी नाइस. आई डोंट नो मैं इसको निकालूंगी कैसे. आई थिंक आई कैन स्लीप ऑल्सो, बट दिस pin kind of thing is there, which is this is very risky. I can't sleep with this. बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है यार. Silver situation going on me, like this. It's looking very pretty. I just love this kind of designs, you know. Again the dog is barking. Let them bark. This pin, hanging pin kind of design. Even जब लड़के लोग भी पहनते हैं ना, like एक कान में या दो कान में, I don't care. ऐसा वाला I like it. Like जोश में शाहरुख खान ने पहना था cross one. It was so nice. He looked so handsome in that. I never found this kind of designs anywhere. मैंने ये देखा मीशो पे recently. I had to get this one. Best part about this piece is the quality is so good and it looks expensive and I'm sure कि इसका color भी fade नहीं होने वाला. Like जैसे I have put my hair up and you can see my ears, like this one I'm wearing. That time you can use this one. It looks so good, you know. Minimal भी लग रहा है, yet classy, yet fashionable. But the only thing, you can't clip it. It's a very hard solid and you can't bend it. नहीं पहन पा रही हूँ, लूज नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, टाइट नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. It's just very tight for my ears. But it's looking good, so I'm not mad. Apart from that, 10 on 10. मुझे सर्दी हो गया है भाई. I was sick for 10 days, 10 to 15 days to be honest. I have lost a lot of weight, which is a good thing. But then I look weak, I look dull. That kind of weight loss I have had. Okay, so next we have this rose gold finger mini watch for rupees 311. Okay, so I don't have to tell you how much famous this mini watch has become. Wow, ta-da! Pretty na? ये छोटी सी mini watch gift करी. Urvashi Rautela was talking about this watch in her interview, which was like very much controversial, the Daku Maharaj and that mini watch thing. But she had this in the black color, I guess, but I like this one rose gold. नाम के लिए rose gold है, but it's gold only. So black भी वहाँ पे available है. You can get that. And this looks very cool, to be honest. It looks so good. It's that kind of thing, you know, whenever you wear this and go out, people are going to discuss about it and they're going to talk about it. Such a cute mini watch. Where did you get it from? So nice one. Now we have golden bracelet for 357 rupees. It's the most expensive item of this haul. So this is the piece. You can see it's double layered and the quality is amazing. Why is it not going? As it's the most expensive item of this haul, the quality is not compromised. It looks very pretty and classy. You can wear it anywhere. It looks so pretty, all golden. It's making hands look more pretty. Like jewelry does that, I know. Like it makes everything like all put together. Now we have this secret photo keeper heart necklace for 177 rupees. It came with these two pearl earrings as well, which I am not going to wear ever. And the necklace, I have never had a necklace which can be opened and the picture can be kept, like this authentic heart necklace. बचपन से तो देखा था, so pretty, but कहीं मिला ही नहीं कभी. But now that I found it, it's so cute. I've always wanted this. I'm gonna put my Kuchu's picture over here. She's an angel now. She was always an angel. She's not with me now, so I'll put her picture and I'll wear it sometimes. I'm gonna open it again. It feels so cute, you know, opening a small heart. This one is available in silver color as well, but I like the gold one more. Quality of the pendant is pretty nice, but the chain is really thin, I think. But apart from that, it looks nice. This is the last but not the least. I have this gold chain watch for 236 rupees. Let me show you. I have always had that big round watches, but I never wear it. It's not like I don't like watches. I like watches, but I forget to wear it. भूल जाती हूँ मैं. I never bought this thin watch. Like the belt has never been this much thin. So I saw it and I thought, why not just give it a try? I'll just put it with this bracelet. Doing all this alone is like a very serious stuff. Okay, so here we are. Just let me show you the watch, how it looks. It looks nice. The quality of this watch is really nice, and wearing it with this bracelet, it's going very well together. And what else can you expect with 236 rupees? I'm satisfied. I think Meesho is doing really good. So as I said, I had very selective pieces with me today and they are all so pretty. I'm going to keep them all. And all of the product link is in my description box down below. And you can let me know in the comment section which was your favorite jewelry out of all this. Mine favorite was... First I was thinking this one. But then I thought this one. Then this watch. Pretty. Now I think this one is also pretty. This one is also pretty. Rings are also pretty. All of the items over here is beautiful effortlessly in their own ways. So yeah, this was it for today, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did, and if you did, you can give this video a big thumbs up. Also share it with your friends, your family, and whoever wants to watch this. Also subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.